Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I've been off for a little while, but got a new toy for the garage. It's just gone my birthday and I got a present. Haven't opened it yet. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this, but I shall snip the snipper. It's got it. See what we've got. I think it's this way up. And it is a multi-tool, complete with all goodies. Never had one of these before, so this is going to be interesting. Don't know whether I've ever used one before. I don't think I have. That's interesting. Like a stop of some sort on there. Have to read the book of words on it, I suppose. But let's have a look, see what's in the little box that comes with it. One slicing implement. Right. This has remained unopened for weeks and weeks and weeks. So I haven't been feeling that good. And then it was too hot to do anything. It's over 90 degrees in the shade today, so it's still nice and warm. Ooh, a real box of goodies. A little blade, a slightly bigger blade, a wider saw type blade. Ooh, a round. It's got saw teeth on it as well. And a little sander with some sanding pads. Velcro ones. Thing is, how does it all work? That's what I want to know. Those are let's have that out of there. Doesn't appear to be any tool to put these on with. It looks like a screwdriver jobby. Well, I think the book of words, seeing as I've never had one of these before. And see what it says. Don't have a bath with it, that's the normal. Right. Electrical safety. Don't play with it in the rain. Don't stick it in any orifices. Segment saw blades. Oh, well, I'll have a little look at this book of words and let's see how this works. There'll probably be thousands of you shouting at me, this is how it works, this is what you do. Well, it looks like that goes on there. There's no tool anywhere to adjust. So I should imagine it's a normal screwdriver. Anyway, I shall be back in a moment. Well, after looking at that, I wasn't looking far enough, was I? On the back here there's a lever. You push the lever right over to 180 degrees. That opens this little thing here. You poke in the tool so it lines up with those little things, and then fold that back, and there's multi-tool inserted. I suppose I shall undo this marvellous piece of tie wrap thing here and plug it in and see if it works. This could be fun. Well, they give you quite a bit of cable. Should think that's enough. Right, plugged in, switched on. Does it do anything? Oh, it's noisy. Is there a speed? Oh yeah, there's a speed thing on it as well. Just at the back here there's a speed knob. There's 1 the lowest, and is it 6 the highest? Yeah, 6 is the highest and 1 is the lowest. Very noisy piece of equipment. But interesting. I'm sure I will find use for this and try using it in a moment on a piece of wood. I don't know, do these cut steel as well? They might do. I'll try it on a piece of wood first, see if it does anything. Now I've got a piece of wood in the vise. I'll just try and see what happens with this. See if it'll cut through it. And it seems to cut through. It frightened the cat. He doesn't like that very much. But yeah, a few seconds and it did cut that. I won't switch it on again because the cat is now hunched in a corner. Dog's oblivious. But yeah, it seems like a useful piece of kit. It's got other things as well. It's very, very noisy. But yeah, I think I'll have a use for that. And in a couple of months, after I've used it a bit, let's see, we'll get this blade off and just hinge that over. The blade comes off like that. Nice. I'll try it for a month or so, and I'll get back to you on its usefulness. Quite an interesting piece of kit. Got various little blades with it. I do like the little sanding pad. I think that's going to be very useful. Get into small areas. And I'll have to look up, see what these do. But it's a Parkside one. It's, you know, Lidl's, not a sponsor, by the way. This was a present, birthday present. So I'm now getting old. But yeah, it's been sitting here for quite some time. Haven't been feeling 100%. It's been very, very hot, and computer problems. Spent a whole week and a half just reformatting the PC because it decided to Microsoft decided to make things better, and of course after they make things better they never work again. So yeah, we've got that working, and that's why I'm making this little video now, so I can put it up, because I can actually edit it and play with the PC once more. I've got another little toy to show you probably next week, another gift, this time not for birthday, but somebody who was giving up doing what they were doing and said, would you like this? And I'll give you a quick taste of what that is. Just a quick look. It's a blow molded case, about that big. Any guesses? Put them down in the comments. Be fun to see if anybody guesses what's in it. It's quite heavy as well, that's another clue. I should think it's about 2.5 kilos, 3 kilos. That's all the clues you're getting till next week. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll let you know on how this thing works and how it goes. I've got a couple of little jobs I can do with it. I want to trim off the bottom of a door that's sticking, so I'll give it a go on that and see if it's any good. I'll make sure the cat's out of the way. He is now back on his perch. I'll show you. He's back on his perch there now. And of course the dog's just there asleep. Right. Thank you very much for watching. I shall catch up with you next week. And hope you've enjoyed this little tiny video. Nothing constructive this time because, like I said, I haven't been feeling that well. But next time maybe we can construct something. Anyway, please like and subscribe. Helps the channel grow. And I shall see you next time. Bye now.